Hijab, a symbol of modesty and style. The hijab is not just a piece of cloth, it carries deep significance. It is a symbol of modesty, faith, and identity for many Muslim women around the world. Wearing the hijab is a personal choice that reflects a commitment to faith and a way to express one's beliefs. It's part of our faith. The hijab is often worn as an act of devotion and a way to maintain a sense of modesty. It is a reminder of the values and principles that guide our lives. It makes us feel beautiful and confident. Wearing the hijab can empower women, giving them a sense of pride and self-assurance. It allows them to present themselves to the world with dignity and grace. Many girls and women wear it all around the world. From bustling cities to quiet villages, the hijab is a common sight, uniting women of different cultures and backgrounds in a shared expression of faith. Hijab styles are always changing. Fashion trends come and go, and the hijab is no exception. Women are constantly finding new ways to style their hijabs, blending tradition with modernity. We can try new fabrics and colors. The variety of fabrics and colors available allows women to choose hijabs that suit their personal tastes and preferences. From soft cotton to luxurious silk, the options are endless. We can fold and wrap it in different ways. The versatility of the hijab means that it can be styled in countless ways, each method reflecting a unique aspect of the wearer's personality and creativity. It's fun to try new styles. Experimenting with different hijab styles can be a joyful and creative process. It allows women to express their individuality and have fun with fashion. There are so many ways to express ourselves with hijab. Whether it's through bold colors, intricate patterns, or unique wrapping techniques, the hijab offers endless possibilities for self-expression. It's a beautiful way to show our faith and our personal style. The hijab is more than just a religious symbol. It is also a fashion statement. It allows women to showcase their personal style while staying true to their beliefs. It's a powerful symbol for Muslim women everywhere. The hijab represents strength, resilience, and empowerment. It is a testament to the courage and determination of Muslim women who proudly wear it as a symbol of their identity and faith. This year, we're seeing some really cool hijab styles. The fashion world is buzzing with creativity and innovation, bringing fresh and exciting looks to the forefront. Whether you're looking for something casual, elegant, or a bit of both, there's a hijab style for everyone in 2023. Let's take a look at a few of them. From relaxed and chic to bold and luxurious, these styles are making waves. Each one offers a unique way to express your personality and complement your wardrobe. The relaxed chic. This style is effortless and comfy. It's perfect for those days when you want to look put together without too much fuss. The relaxed chic hijab pairs beautifully with casual outfits, making it a go-to for everyday wear. It looks great with casual outfits. Think jeans, a comfy sweater, or even a casual dress. The key is to keep it simple and relaxed, yet stylish. This style is all about ease and comfort while still looking fashionable. The turban lux. This style is bold and elegant. It's perfect for special occasions or when you want to make a statement. The turban lux hijab adds a touch of sophistication and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. You'll need a longer scarf for this one. The extra length allows for more intricate wrapping and styling, giving you a polished and refined look. It's a versatile style that can be adapted to suit various outfits and events. The side swept. This style is simple but pretty. It's a great option for those who prefer a more understated look. The side swept hijab is easy to achieve and can be worn with both casual and formal attire. It's perfect for everyday wear. Whether you're running errands, going to work, or meeting friends, the side swept hijab offers a chic and effortless look that fits seamlessly into your daily routine. These styles are popular because they're easy to wear, and they look amazing. The beauty of these hijab styles lies in their versatility and the way they can be tailored to fit any occasion. So whether you're dressing up or keeping it casual, there's a hijab style in 2023 that's perfect for you. Embrace the trends and make them your own. Ready to try these styles? Let's break them down. The relaxed chic. This style is perfect for those days when you want to look effortlessly stylish without spending too much time. It's all about achieving that laid-back yet put-together look. 1. Put on your undercap. The undercap is essential as it helps keep your hair in place and provides a smooth base for the hijab. Make sure it's snug but not too tight. 2. Drape the scarf over your head with one side longer. This asymmetry is key to creating a relaxed look. Adjust the scarf so it frames your face nicely. 3. Pin the sides under your chin. Use a small, discreet pin to secure the scarf. This step ensures that the hijab stays in place throughout the day. 4. Take the longer side and drape it loosely over your head. Let it fall naturally to create a soft, flowing effect. You can adjust the drape to your liking, making it as loose or as snug as you prefer. 5. You're good to go! The relaxed chic style is perfect for casual outings, coffee dates, or even a day at the office. The turban lux. This style is all about elegance and sophistication. It's perfect for special occasions or when you want to make a statement. 1. Put on your undercap. Just like with the relaxed chic style, the undercap is crucial for keeping your hair in place and providing a smooth base. 2. Place the middle of the scarf on your forehead and wrap the ends around your head. This step is key to creating the turban look. Make sure the scarf is centered and the ends are even. 3. Tie the ends into a knot at the back of your head. This knot will secure the scarf in place. You can tie it as tightly or as loosely as you prefer, depending on the look you're going for. 4. Twist the remaining fabric into a bun shape and tuck it in. This step adds volume and creates the signature turban look. Make sure the bun is secure and looks neat. 5. Look at you, so chic. The turban look style is perfect for weddings, parties, or any event where you want to stand out. The side swept. This style is all about elegance and simplicity. It's perfect for both casual and formal occasions. 1. Put on your undercap. As with the other styles, the undercap is essential for keeping your hair in place and providing a smooth base. 2. Drape the scarf over your head with one side longer. This asymmetry is key to creating the side-swept look. Adjust the scarf so it frames your face nicely. 3. Pin the sides under your chin. Use a small discreet pin to secure the scarf. This step ensures that the hijab stays in place throughout the day. 4. Take the longer side and sweep it across your chest and over your shoulder. This creates a graceful, flowing effect. Adjust the drape to your liking, making it as loose or as snug as you prefer. 5. Effortless elegance. The side-swept style is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a casual day out or a formal event. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to try different variations until you find what suits you best. Experiment with different fabrics, colors, and accessories to create your own unique look. The key is to have fun and express your personal style. With a little practice, you'll be able to master these styles and create your own signature hijab look. Section 4. All-day comfort practical tips. Wearing hijab all day should be comfortable. Here are some tips. Choose lightweight and breathable fabrics. Cotton and jersey are great choices. Use a comfortable undercap. It will help keep your hijab in place. Don't be afraid to adjust your hijab throughout the day. Comfort is key. When you feel good, you look good. Section 5. Hijab and outfit pairing. A match made stylish. Your hijab can elevate your outfit. For casual days, pair a simple hijab with jeans and a cute top. For special occasions, try a flowy hijab with a dress or a skirt. Don't be afraid to experiment with colors and patterns. Have fun with your style. Section 6. Accessorize your hijab. Accessories can add a touch of personality to your hijab style. Decorate with pins, add a headband. Try a statement necklace. A little sparkle never hurts. Section 7. My hijab journey, a personal touch. I remember when I first started wearing hijab. I was a bit nervous but mostly excited. It was a special moment for me. Over the years, my hijab style has evolved. I've learned to embrace my individuality and express myself through my hijab. It's more than just a piece of fabric to me. It's a symbol of my faith, my identity, and my strength.